Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. A new leak suggests the Galaxy S10 chip will feature a tri-cluster CPU arrangement. Most flagship processors have CPU cores arranged in two clusters, one for heavyweight cores and one for lightweight cores. The setup may lead to superior battery life from Samsung's rumored flagship. The Samsung Exynos 9820, or whatever it ends up being called, is widely expected to power the Galaxy S10, but we don't know much about it. Leaker Ice Universe has dished out apparent details today though, and it looks like the company might take a page out of MediaTek's book. According to the tipster, Samsung is opting for a three-cluster CPU core arrangement, featuring 4 lightweight Cortex-A55 cores, 2 Cortex-A75, or A76, cores for medium tasks, and 2 4th-generation custom Mongoose CPU cores for heavyweight tasks. All in all, we're looking at 8 cores still, but in a 2+2+4 arrangement as opposed to 4 heavy cores and 4 light cores seen in most flagship chips. This is similar to MediaTek's Helio X series of flagship processors, which used 10 CPU cores in 3 clusters of lightweight/medium/heavy cores. So why would MediaTek, and potentially Samsung and its Galaxy S10, opt for 3 CPU clusters?